Let's divide 154 by 2. Hey super math stars, Sparkles, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We look at the first digit of 154, which is 1. We'll bring it down to join us. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It doesn't fit, so we write a 0. 0 times 2 is 0, let's write that down. 1 minus 0 is 1, we have a remainder of 1. You're doing awesome, keep focusing. Now let's bring down the next digit 5 to make 15. Next up we have the number 15. Let's see how many times 2 goes into 15. We're using the 1 from before and the new digit 5, that makes 15. 2 fits into 15 7 times, 7x 2 equals 14, so we write 7 above the 5. 7 times 2 equals 14, write 14 below 15. 15 minus 14 is 1, our remainder is 1. Woohoo, you're crushing it, almost there. Let's bring down the last digit 4 to make our new number 14. Last step we have 14, let's divide 14 by 2. We're using the remainder 1 and the last digit 4 to make 14. How many times does 2 go into 14? It's 7. 7 times 2 is exactly 14, perfect. 14 minus 14 is 0, no remainder this time. You did it, that's fantastic. We've reached the end, our final answer is 77. We found that 154 divided by 2 is 77. Great job, everyone. We learned how to tackle long division step by step. Remember, every division problem is just a puzzle waiting to be solved. That's all for today. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video. Happy dividing, Party Popper.